Hey guys, we are making smoked crab legs and
Get up and see it.
shrimp and sausage.
Yeah. Just smoke it sideways. Put it all in there. Yeah, we're gonna put the crab legs on for about 30 minutes. We got the egg on 250.
Hey,
And we're
Daddy!
gonna smoke some shrimp. We're gonna boil some
Hey,
shrimp as well.
Ryker! He let it pool!
River swimming in the pool.
Yes!
But anyway, we'll keep this on for another 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll check it. We'll dredge some more butter, and we should be about ready. About 20 minutes.
Good.
Cool. Sound good? Just
Sound
throw it back down. All right. There we go.
Okay. So we are making what, Ryker?
Horseradish.
No, we're making homemade cocktail sauce.
No, I forgot.
So we're going to put using horseradish, ketchup, horseradish, Worcestershire sauce, and lemon juice. So we've already got our ketchup. We might have to add a little bit more to it because I'm normally pretty heavy
Daddy,
on the horseradish.
you lying down at night.
Okay.
I'm going to put in some horseradish,
Can I help you, Daddy?
squirt
Thank you.
some
I do that
lemon
too.
juice,
No, I'll do this. Okay.
a little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
I know it looks disgusting, but when you mix it, it looks better.
It looks so good. And the whiter it is, the more spicy it is. See, and this has a really good consistency for the majority of us. I'm gonna put a little bit more ketchup in it, just so it's not too spicy.
This shit. We need to do that in the map.
What's that?
We need to do this in the map.
Oh, is that a
And
fish?
there we go.
No, that's not.
There is our homemade cocktail sauce.
We are having smoked shrimp and smoked sausage, and with smoked crab legs. And we have some boiled shrimp to our left, and we have boiled sausage to our left. Then to our other left, we have corn and potatoes. And this is our finishing.
It's a finished product.
Yum.